Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And I know probably a lot of people was wondering like what I use to record my video, especially when I'm out on the balcony. Like when I record in the room, it's a different story. Because, you know, I have a little stand, and I have a chair. But when I'm out on the balcony recording the videos, in some of my videos you can hear a lot of noise in the background. So I wanted to make like a quick little video to show y'all what I use. Like, and it's only 3 things. I'm a little bit ashamed to show y'all, but you know, just for y'all to see. I don't use these high-tech stuff, just use regular basic stuff that you'll find anywhere, you know. Alright guys, first thing that I use is a regular bucket of paint. It's a bucket of paint that I use to paint the walls in my apartment, but I have it out on the balcony. And usually I have something on top for me to sit on so it can get comfortable. But right now I don't, as you can see. The second thing that I use is my tripod. And this is my baby right here, guys. Picked this up at Walmart. It was 13 bucks, not bad. And as you can see, you can adjust the length. It can get real high, but I usually have it on the second one, and I usually bring this up a little bit. And also you can adjust this to have it at a certain angle, however you want. Once you have it stand up straight, you can rotate this. I usually rotate it this way when I'm recording. And the third thing is a regular piece of board. This was behind a dresser. Throw away the dresser, so I'm like, you know what, let me use this as my sketching board. I'll have this on my lap and I'll place the tickets on top and I'll start recording. So it's not, I don't really use any expensive item, just these 3 items, and you know, it makes it does the magic. So this is just a little quick video just to show y'all like the 3 things that I use to record my videos, which is not much. So that's to show you guys that you can basically use anything and your videos come out nice with a decent quality and stuff like that. But anyways, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Also, it's the view. So this is a nice view out in the back. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.